everyone, welcome back to Kael Makes Everything but Kael, and today what we're going to make is we're going to make some homemade cinnamon rolls. So we'll start out with 1 cup of warm milk, and you have and in here there's 1 tablespoon instant dry yeast, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and we'll go ahead and put that in here. And then we have 3 tablespoons of butter. And then we have 1 egg. And then what we'll do is we'll mix it up. So it's all nice and mixed together. The butter is going to be a little clumpy when you're done, but it's fine. And now what we'll do is we will grab our flour, or this 3 cups of flour, and we'll just put it in with all of this. And then what you'll do is you'll attach it to your stand mixer. And just put it on stir so it's nice and mixed up. And then put it on, and then when it's kind of mixed so the flour will fly everywhere, put it on too. And so what you don't want it to be sticky to your hand. So what you'll do is you'll just keep adding more flour till it's nice and not sticky anymore. So now since it's nice and mixed, this is what it's going to look like. Put a towel over it and let it sit for an hour. Until it's double the size. Okay, so now since it's nice and rised, what we'll go ahead and do is we'll put in 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, and then 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon. Oh, and then you want to mix this up. And now we'll melt half a cup of butter. Okay, so now since the butter is done melting, what we'll go ahead and do is we will lightly flour the surface after I wipe it down. So we'll lightly flour the surface. Take the dough out. And then roll it out. And now since I'm done rolling it out, you want to put on your butter. You want to spread it everywhere on the corner, on the edges. You don't want to miss the spot with the butter. Okay, so that's that. And now what you want to do is you want to grab your cinnamon and brown sugar. And with the edges, you just want to cut these off because they're not the pretty parts. So you cut off the edges to then start cutting. And you don't want them that big, but you also want them, you want them right in the middle. Like see, that's how thick you're going to want them. And see, so you want them this thick, and that's how they're going to look on the inside, nice and purty like that. Grab your pants, wipe them down, and then you want to wipe them down, and you're just going to set them in your pants. So you have it like this, and then you're going to want to put them in your oven. In the oven you're going to want to set them in the oven for 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. You can stop it. Okay, so now we're going to make the glaze. So what you're going to want 2 cups powdered sugar, and you'll put 4 tablespoons of milk, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay, now since that's done, you're going to come over here and pour it in with the milk mix, the powdered sugar mixture. And then you're going to want to mix it so all of it's nice and mixed together. And here's what it's going to look like when it's done. And there you go. Now all you need to do is wait till your cinnamon rolls are done. So now since the cinnamon rolls are done baking, what we'll go ahead and do is we'll have them sit, let them cool off, and then after that we'll just put on the glaze. So now what we'll do, since it's nice and not too hot or not too cold, it's nice and warm. What you want to do is you just want to pour this all over. And there you go. And then perfect. And there you go, really good cinnamon rolls, homemade cinnamon rolls. Please like and subscribe.